Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at some induction wheel covers for the Tesla Model Y. This was sent out by Tesloid. So let's take a look. So taking out the wheel covers from the box, it's 4 pieces. It's packaged well here, a lot of bubble wrap protecting it. So you can see how it looks. And you got the clips. And it also comes with some tape that we're gonna put along the edges for each of the wheel covers. And you get a nice storage case as well. So you can store your old wheel covers or these if you're not using them. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and install the tape around each of the covers, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I finished installing the protective tape around each of the covers. It probably took no longer than 10 minutes. One thing you also notice is there's a left and there's a right side, so just keep that in mind. And it does come with, it looks like a Tesloid branded center cap sticker, so if you want to add that on. I'll probably just leave it off right now, and I'll probably look for a Tesla logo. But yeah, you have that option. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and install it on the car. So they do give you some gloves so you don't get your hands dirty. To remove the existing wheel cover, you just wanna pull like so. And it just comes out pretty easy. Set this aside. So taking a look at the new wheel cover, there is a cutout for the valve stem. And basically what you want to do, the clips go in between the spokes here. They don't clip on here, they go in between. So you want to line it up. And just make sure it's in between the spokes. And then just give it a nice push. All right, so it looks like it's seated fairly well now. One thing you also notice is that there is greater coverage on the outer lip here, so it protects it more. I do see that the valve stem is a little bit covered, so it's a little hard to get access to. So more than likely, if you want to check your tire pressure or remove the valve cover, you'll probably have to pop this out. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of the wheels.
Okay, this is how it looks fully installed. It's very sharp looking all around. It is a symmetrical set, so you have a right and a left side. And installation was easy. The only part that took a while is installing the protective tape. It definitely enhances the look, and you can mistake it for real alloy wheels and not covers. The only con I have about it is access to the valve stem to check the tire pressure or fill your tires. I do wish it was a bit different, so you'll probably have to remove the wheel cover to access that. Other than that, it looks solid in my opinion. So that is my review of the Tesloid Induction Wheel Covers for the Tesla Model Y. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.